Okay, so if you're having trouble with your touch screen, maybe not catching when you push on it, this is how you reset it. So you've got the truck off where the gauge is off, like the ignition switch is off, there's no power going to the gauge. And you hold down on the screen and then power up the truck. So give power to the gauge, and what it'll do is it'll go into screen recalibration mode. I know it might be kind of hard to see, but it resets the contrast to factory default, and it walks you through finding each corner of the screen so it knows where the touches line up. So we'll press the center, and it's telling us to press and hold on the filled circle. So get real accurate in the center of that and press and hold, and then let go. Hold it for about 3 seconds, and then just follow the dot around the screen. And it's really important that you press and hold. A lot of people try to just tap it and it won't register that as a touch. So as soon as that is done, it'll start up and get you to the home screen. And to get the contrast set, go to Settings, so wrench icon, Settings, Display Settings, and then right arrow to contrast, and hit the plus button until it's up where it's more readable.